Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 60312, the Lego City Police Car. And today we actually have a special guest doing the building for us. You're going to notice the hands that are not mine doing the building. That's because my oldest daughter has asked to contribute her hands to building the set that she picked out on our recent Orlando trip. And she wanted to be part of the process. She likes my content. She wanted to do something on this to be involved with it. And we decided to go ahead and let her do that. So you won't see her face or hear her voice. You'll just see her hands building this set for us. Let's get to it.